We will be discussing futuristic vehicle design, where innovation meets creativity. From sleek electric cars to advanced EVTOLs, these groundbreaking vehicles redefine transportation with cutting-edge technology, sustainability, and stunning aesthetics. Join us as we explore the concepts shaping the future of mobility and revolutionizing how we travel. The Glider SS is an ultra-modern high-performance watercraft designed for speed, luxury, and stability. Created by Glider Yachts, this craft stands out for its unique and aerodynamic appearance, resembling a futuristic speedboat built for exhilarating performance on the water. The Glider SS incorporates cutting-edge technology to minimize drag and maximize stability, allowing for impressive speeds while ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. Its distinctive hull shape with adjustable foils and hydrofoils enables the boat to glide over the water, reducing friction and enhancing efficiency. Constructed using lightweight materials such as carbon fiber and advanced composites, the Glider SS aims for exceptional performance, maneuverability, and fuel efficiency. This focus on lightweight construction contributes to its speed and agility on the water. The LSEV, or low-speed electric vehicle, is a groundbreaking innovation in the automotive industry. Developed by the Chinese company XEV and the Italian 3D printing company Polymaker, this electric car stands out for its unique production method and customizable features. Approximately 80% of the LSEV's components, including the chassis, body panels, and interior elements, are 3D printed using advanced materials like thermoplastics. This innovative approach significantly reduces production time and costs compared to traditional manufacturing methods. Moreover, the LSEV's modular design enables unparalleled customization, allowing customers to choose from various designs, colors, and even specific features to suit their individual tastes. The consumer car, designed by J.Ruiter Studio, is a radical and minimalist approach to traditional automobiles. This unconventional vehicle challenges the status quo of automotive design, emphasizing utility and practicality over ornamentation. At first glance, the consumer car may appear more like a geometric sculpture than a typical car. It embodies a boxy, almost featureless shape, devoid of similar automotive design cues like windows, mirrors, or a traditional grille. Instead, it showcases clean lines and a no-frills aesthetic, focusing on purpose and function. The interior of the consumer car is designed to be basic yet functional, providing the essentials for driving without the excess. The focus is on creating a purposeful space that serves the needs of the driver without unnecessary distractions. While the specific details and specifications of the consumer car may vary across different iterations or concepts, the RidRoid CanguRo, a remarkable robotic personal mobility vehicle, is a creation of the Future Robotics Technology Center for Chiba Institute of Technology, Japan. Named after the kangaroo it resembles, the CanguRo is designed to be both a loyal companion and a means of transportation. As a partner robot, the CanguRo never leaves its master's side, following them and providing support through base communication and haptic feedback. The CanguRo can transform into a vehicle that augments its master's physical functions, allowing them to travel together as one. This unique design, coupled with its advanced features and intuitive interface, makes the CanguRo truly innovative and revolutionary personal mobility vehicle.